onto Baltimore Pike.
10:57 for a little pit stop. This is my first time traveling for work, and believe it or not, it's actually kind of always been a bucket list item.
Live and live. Good evening, ladies.
Yeah. All right, here we go. So I'm headed to the lobby to go check in to my hotel. Excuse me, where do I check in? The hotel. Oh, right here? Okay, cool.
All right, what's your name?
Edison? Where are you from?
I'm from Philly, from South Philly.
Oh, from Philly, nice.
Yeah.
You big gambler?
No, and even if I was, they wouldn't let me gamble here.
Oh, really? You're not allowed to?
Yeah, they said if you do come here with like friends or family, like we have a lot of cameras, so like put your hands behind your back and don't even let it look like you're gambling. Anyway, so it looks like your total is going to be $653, so 58 cents.
Not my money.
Not your money?
Bank's money.
Did you need to put a name on your room?
A name?
Yeah, like if you expect any guests, they can come down and get their own key.
No guess. No guess. My wife would not like any guess.
You're all set, man.
That's it?
Yeah, our hotel is over here.
All right, thank you.
Every other
So this thing is open 24/7, huh?
casino, yeah.
The casino.
Not the restaurants. The restaurants closed, I believe, at about 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
They probably don't allow cameras, huh? In the casino.
See if they let you.
All right, I'll give it a shot. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Hello. A couple weeks ago, my buddy Cameron, shout out to you, Cameron, he shared a podcast with me. That's what it made me realize, which was, I just want to do more things with this camera and not just take photographs. And then there's just new things in life that I want to experience, big and small. Yeah, I just want to document so that I remember, because I feel like so much of our lives we actually just don't remember. It is 12:12 right now, and I don't know if I'm going to go downstairs and check out the casino. I might. Actually, that's probably a bad idea. I think I'm going to go to bed. So I realized that I didn't do a proper tour of my room.